All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is going to be PTCO. This one's currently traded at $2.88. As soon as I pulled it up, it was looking at $2.85. I'd like to kind of jump in here, see what's going on. What's up with this whole thing that we've seen going from here back on beginning of December, and you're climbing your way all the way up to that. You guys were trading around 32 cents and basically ran all the way up to $5.65. And then on Friday, a massive drop down of a high of $5.65 all the way down to a low of $1.67, and now you're opened today at $2.01. So as far as the technical analysis, I'm sure that Joe's going to be able to tell us more about this company, what's going on there, whatever the case might be. To the person that brought this up, I appreciate it, over on YouTube. $2.85. I'm going to put in here on watch, bouncing off of bottom. Going to need break the 20-day simple moving average, which I think is going to be a resistance line of around $2 or $3.05. $3, or I'm sorry, $3.05. Okay, so on watch, bouncing off bottom, going to need to break the 20-day simple moving average. This right here, again, guys, I mean, I don't know what happened here. Don't know, what the case might be, what caused this thing to drop down on Friday. I do ask you, if you're still over here on YouTube, what happened here? What was the reason for the big drop on PTCO? Definitely like to know while Joe pulls this one up. Joe, what do you have to add for PTCO?
Well, there's a lot of different things going on with the company right now. So let's see. They are a PetroGas Company Incorporated is an oil and gas exploration and production company focused on the acquisition of properties in the areas with significant oil reserves and drilling potential. The company's growth strategy includes the acquisition of oil fields from distressed third parties at a substantial discount to value and development of fields whose potential has not been fully maximized. So for more information, visit their website. It's www.petrogascompany. Oh, it's got a slash between it, company.com. Well, there's, if you go onto the news right now on the site, you'll see there's a bunch of different press releases recently of them, like PetroGas. The one from today is PetroGas acquires interest in 6 wells in Oklahoma and Texas. Did you lose me?
No, I'm pulling it up. Go ahead.
Right. I thought it sounded like it cut out on me. All right, yeah. So today's press release was today announced that it has acquired a fractional interest in 6 producing oil and gas wells located in Carter and LaFleur County, Oklahoma, and Brazos in Fayette County, Texas. The wells are operated by BP America, Montgomery Exploration, and Enervest. So then this one right here, it's kind of, I'm not really sure what it's about. In the third quarter of 2016, the total value for upstream transactions worth at least $10 million reached $20.2 billion, according to data from PLS Incorporated, a Houston-based oil and gas research firm. That is more than double the level from a year earlier and approaches levels not seen since the beginning of oil prices downturn. So they're basically stating, from the CEO stated, the market is very ripe for acquisitions at the moment, and we are trying to close as many good deals as possible, as quickly as possible, because we expect asset prices to rise by the end of quarter one. And then obviously you see that in the news, the press releases that they have over here. They are obviously acquiring different things. Because I mean, this one on the 30th, and then January 25th, it was PetroGas Company acquires oil and gas parcels in Montana. And then on the 18th, Petro acquires a 161-acre oil and gas federal lease in Colorado. And then, let's see, January 11th, they acquire interest in 11 oil and gases in Texas. So, I mean, it's definitely, they have a lot going on.
Yeah, this company has a lot going on, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks to be pretty active as far as news and stuff too.
Yeah.
All right, so if you
I mean, I seen something that of that on the news, how a lot of the United States companies of oil and everything else basically got beat down
Yeah.
from like, Saudi and all that other good stuff with oil prices. So now, you got, say, a company like this, if they have the actual finances to do so, they're acquiring different things.
And look at that. You guys take a look over here. You're seeing those buys coming in, which is good. Like I said, this time and sale is a really good key over here on Investors Hangout. You can see all these buys coming in. This is all free tools that we offer on the site. So PTCO, again, $2.85 on watch, bouncing off bottom, going to need to break the 20-day simple moving average, and you guys are getting right up to that point. Let's keep an eye on it, see what happens from here. Make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out the live stream. Check out all the data tools and the message boards.